Welcome to English Vocabulary OPD channel.
Words about the story of the lion and the rabbit. Afraid. Afraid. When someone is afraid, they feel fear. The boy was afraid of what he saw. Agree. Agree. To agree is to say yes or to think the same way. The food is very good in that restaurant.
I agree with you.
Angry. Angry. When someone is angry, they may want to speak loudly or fight. She didn't do her homework, so her father is angry. Arrive. Arrive. To arrive is to get to or reach some place. The bus always arrives at the corner of my street at 4 o'clock. Attack. Attack. To attack is to try to fight or to hurt. The man with the punch attacked the other man first. Bottom. Bottom. The bottom is the lowest part. The bottom of my shoe has a hole in it. Clever. Clever. When someone is clever, they can solve a hard puzzle or problem. The clever boy thought of a good idea. Cruel. Cruel. When someone is cruel, they do bad things to hurt others. The cruel man yelled at his friend. Finally. Finally. If something happens finally, it happens after a long time or at the end. He finally crossed the finished line after 5 hours of running. Hide. Hide. To hide is to try not to let others see you. The other children will hide while you count to 100.